Hey guys, viewers, this is my stupid remote control. So you guys know, I was gonna wet that anyway. I took the batteries out, so it's hard for me to take it out. Doesn't work anymore. I removed the batteries. Batteries just in the bag, and I had some very sad news. It's a very long story. I don't want to talk about it, but that the roommate that I had was failed because he had a fight with me, and he chucked his remote on me. Well, the dog did it, and I don't know why, but luckily I threw him away. But it's okay. I bought a smart TV remote control, so I'm giving this away. I'm giving this to Where to whack this one to say goodbye. So yeah, Where wants me to whack it anyway, cause yeah. Anyway, time for me to say goodbye to the Maxwell remote control from the TV. You could do anything on this TV. You could do anything on a smart TV. You go to www.something7.com, like Google or something, and then you go to Parasite Video, and of course you can get onto Netflix. Now, guys, this one was a special one. If you guys want this remote control, if you guys want this TV, like this one, I don't know if you can see it, but can you see it? Over your lord, damn. But it is a Samsung remote, so yeah, it was a Samsung remote, but not anymore. It's a dog's toy. Well, it's not a dog's toy anymore. It's my toy, actually. So I thought I could give it a whack without, unfortunately, the dog chewed the sensor off very badly. You see the stupid dog chewed it. That's what dogs for, right? They chew stuff around.
Got a guinea pig that doesn't bite.
Got
a guinea pig, but it doesn't bite anything except for plastics and cardboards.
I should put it in the bin.
Yeah, well. Here, better, let me throw the chips.
Whatever.
Geez, thanks.
What makes viewers?
Can't get it out. Stupid chips. They're going everywhere.
Missed my remote. Thanks.
Can you move it somewhere? Or your cloth?
Your pencil case.
Alright, continue.
Make sure your viewers see it.
Oh yeah, true. It's for the whole chip.
Your stupid pencil case doing that.
And more chip.
Oh, my remote's insulting me. I broke your stick.
Okay. It's Christmas Eve.
Well, Santa's not gonna like this if I break this. And the stupid stick of yours.
Yeah.
Whatever's finished.